Somewhere right now, a billionaire just woke up in a bed that scanned his body while he slept. He walked into a bathroom that diagnosed him. He stepped into a car that drove itself while his AI read him the news. And none of it is available in any store you have ever been to. These are not rumors. These are not concepts. These are real gadgets, real technology, being used by the ultra-wealthy right now while the rest of the world has no idea they even exist. You are about to see all 10 of them. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will never look at luxury the same way again. 1. The 8 Sleep Pod Pro. Most people sleep. Billionaires optimize sleep. This is not a mattress. This is a climate-controlled AI-powered sleep system. The 8 Sleep Pod Pro wraps around your existing bed and turns it into something that feels like it belongs in a science fiction film. It tracks your heart rate, your breathing, and your body temperature all night every night without a single wearable on your body. Then while you are sleeping, it automatically adjusts the temperature of each side of the bed in real time. You are too hot at 2 a.m., it cools down. Your partner is cold, their side warms up, independently, silently, without waking either of you. The system uses machine learning to study your sleep patterns over weeks and months. It learns your body. It figures out the exact temperatures that push you into deep sleep faster, keep you there longer, and wake you up at the lightest phase of your sleep cycle so you feel completely rested. Jeff Bezos uses it. NBA teams have installed these for their players. The data it generates about your body is so detailed it has become a competitive edge. This feels impossible, but engineers actually built this. And this next gadget is even crazier. 2. The Aura Ring. You have seen it on their finger. You probably thought it was jewelry. It is not. The Aura Ring is a titanium band so thin, so light you barely feel it. But inside that ring are sensors so advanced they track over 20 different biometric signals, including your body temperature, your blood oxygen levels, and the exact stages of your sleep to the minute. Every morning you get a readiness score, a single number that tells you how recovered your body is, whether today is a day to push hard or a day to hold back. Top CEOs use this to decide whether to take a high-stakes meeting. But the part that makes billionaires obsess over it is the illness detection. The ring can detect signs of illness up to 3 days before you feel sick. Your body temperature spikes. Your resting heart rate elevates. Your heart rate variability drops. The ring sees all of it before your immune system even sends you a signal. This changes everything. When the most powerful people in the world can predict their own health like a dashboard, they stay sharp. They stay ahead. 3. The Hyperis Hypervolt. Here is something nobody talks about. Billionaires are not just rich, they are relentlessly physical. Because they figured out something most people have not. Your mental performance is directly tied to your physical state. Fatigue is a business killer. The Hyperis Hypervolt looks like a power drill, but it is a percussion therapy device borrowed straight professional sports medicine. It fires thousands of concentrated pulses per minute deep into your muscle tissue, breaking up lactic acid, stimulating blood flow, and accelerating recovery in minutes instead of hours. The device connects to an app and uses sensors to detect exactly how much pressure you are applying, automatically adjusting the intensity to match what your muscles need. NFL teams, Olympic athletes, and executives running billion-dollar companies use this before big presentations and after long flights. Because when your body operates at peak, your mind follows. This feels impossible, but the science is undeniable. And this next gadget is even crazier. 4. The Theragun Pro. Imagine having a professional-grade massage therapist available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at a moment's notice. One who never gets tired, never shows up late. That is what the Theragun Pro is for the people who can afford it. It penetrates 16 millimeters deep into muscle tissue. That is twice the depth of ordinary devices. It has a brushless motor so quiet you can use it while on a call, and a tiny force sensor chip inside monitors how hard you are pressing in real time, communicating with an app that tells you exactly where to place it for how long and with how much pressure based on your recovery goal that day. Billionaires use this on private jets during flights. Celebrities use it backstage. Executives use it between back-to-back meetings because they cannot afford to feel depleted during negotiations worth billions. This changes everything. And we are only at number 4. 5. The Garmin Mark Aviator. Most people wear a watch to tell time. This watch tells you everything else. The Garmin Mark Aviator is built from titanium and sapphire glass, and calling it a smartwatch would be like calling a fighter jet a car. It contains a barometric altimeter, a compass, real-time weather data, a pulse oximeter stress monitoring, and a full aviation navigation system designed for pilots in zero visibility conditions. But the ultra-wealthy do not wear this just for status. They wear it because it gives them a constant real-time readout of their own performance. It calculates whether your body is peaking, maintaining, or overreaching, and generates a performance condition score updated minute by minute. There are billionaires who make zero major decisions before checking this watch, not because it tells them what to decide, but because it tells them what state they are in when they decide. This feels impossible. A watch that does not just measure time, it measures you. 6. The Stentrode brain implant. This one does not have a price yet, because you cannot buy it yet, but it exists. Engineers actually built this, and it has already been placed inside living humans. The Stentrode is a brain-computer interface that does not require open brain surgery. Instead, it is delivered through a blood vessel in your neck using the same procedure used to treat strokes. It navigates through your vascular system until it sits next to your motor cortex. Then it reads your brain signals. People who were completely paralyzed have used it to type messages, browse the internet, and send emails using nothing but thought. No hands, no voice, just intention. The wealthy are watching this with obsessive attention because what starts as a medical device becomes within a decade the most powerful productivity tool in human history. Imagine composing an email instantly just by thinking it. This changes everything, and the billionaires funding this are not doing it just out of charity. 7. The Molecule Air Pro. Most air purifiers trap particles. This one destroys them. The Molecule Air Pro uses light-activated nanotechnology to break pollutants apart at the molecular level, destroying bacteria, viruses, mold, and allergens completely, not collecting them, annihilating them. Private offices, private jets, super yacht cabins, these devices run around the clock in every space where serious decisions are being made. The app shows real-time air quality data and adjusts purification automatically based on what it detects in the room. This feels impossible. That the air the rich breathe is literally chemically different from the air the rest of us breathe. And this next gadget is even crazier. 8. The LiftPack CR2 Home Defibrillator. This one might surprise you. Among the truly wealthy, there is a device almost none of them talk about publicly. It sits in a discreet case near the home gym or master bedroom. It is a clinical-grade defibrillator, the same device used by paramedics in hospitals, in their house. It provides real-time feedback, telling whoever is helping if they are pushing hard, enough, fast enough, and in the right position. It speaks, it guides, it analyzes the heart rhythm. And if someone's heart stops us, it makes the difference between life and death in the minutes before an ambulance arrives. Billionaires do not fear poverty. They fear time. They fear the one thing money cannot buy, and they spend extraordinary sums trying to buy it anyway. This changes everything about what home safety actually means. 9. The encrypted satellite phone. Here is something they will never post about. Deep in the pockets of the world's most powerful people is not an iPhone. It is a satellite-linked military-grade encrypted communication device that does not use cell towers at all. It connects directly to satellites in low Earth orbit and works anywhere on the planet. The middle of the ocean, the top of a mountain, a private island with zero coverage. The encryption is what separates this from everything else. The keys exist only on the two devices talking to each other, not on any server, not in any cloud. When the call ends, the keys are deleted. The conversation never existed. These are used by CEOs during sensitive merger negotiations, by politicians navigating threats, by billionaires who know that a single leaked conversation could move markets or end careers overnight. This feels impossible. A phone call that leaves no trace on Earth. And this last gadget changes absolutely everything.
The Neuralink N1 chip. You knew this was coming.
In early 2024, the first human being received a Neuralink brain implant. His name is Noland Arbaugh. He was paralyzed from the shoulders down, and within weeks of the surgery, he was controlling a computer cursor playing chess and streaming video, using nothing but his thoughts. The N1 chip is the size of a coin implanted by a robotic surgeon with a precision no human hand could match. It contains over 1,000 electrodes that read and write signals directly from your neurons. Elon Musk's vision is not just helping paralyzed patients. It is creating a direct connection between the human brain and artificial intelligence. Imagine not using AI but thinking with it. Imagine downloading a skill. Imagine perfect memory. Imagine your brain processing at the speed of a computer. This is not science fiction. The FDA has approved human trials. The first patient is already living with this inside his skull, reporting 0 side effects. The billionaires funding this are not investing in a product. They are investing in a new version of what it means to be human. One where the gap between the wealthy and everyone else is not measured in money anymore. It is measured in cognitive ability. This changes everything.